Mastering the pie chart using Matplotlib. A pie chart is a circular graph divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportions. Each slice of the pie represents a category of data, and the size of each slice is proportional to the value it represents. To visualize a pie graph, import Matplotlib. In Visual Studio Code, Matplotlib is a Python library for creating a variety of plots and charts. It's widely used for data visualization in scientific research, data science, and machine learning. While making sets with data for a pie chart, make sure they are equal in size to ensure consistency and accuracy in your analysis. Equal-sized data sets make comparisons and visualizations more meaningful and easier to understand. This approach ensures that your analysis remains reliable and straightforward. Some computer code to create a visual representation of data in the form of a pie chart. The code will help us to turn raw data into a circular chart with slices that show different proportions of the data. It's the final step to visualize a simple pie chart using Matplotlib. Labels or names can be added to each slice to show what each portion represents, making the chart even more informative. This addition makes it easier to understand the data at a glance by providing clear identifiers for each segment of the chart. By exploding or separating a slice from the rest of the pie, you can draw attention to a particular segment. This is useful when you want to make a specific slice stand out, making it more noticeable and distinguishing it from the other slices. This helps viewers quickly identify and focus on that segment. The title of a pie chart provides a brief description of the data being represented. A clear and concise title enhances the overall comprehensibility of the chart and makes it more informative and user-friendly. Mistakes and errors are essential parts of the learning process. They help us to understand what went wrong and why. It allows us to improve and grow. This function allows you to format and customize how the percentage values are shown. Adding percentage values to the slices makes the chart more informative and helps viewers quickly understand the relative sizes of each slice. A shadow creates a sense of depth and highlights the slice, making it stand out from the rest of the chart. This can be useful when you want to draw attention to a particular slice or just enhance the overall visual aesthetics of the pie chart. Rotating a pie chart involves changing the starting angle of the chart so that the slices appear in different positions. This can help highlight a particular slice or improve the overall visual presentation of the chart. To customize the colors, you typically define a color for each slice. These colors can be chosen based on your preference or to match a specific theme or color scheme. By assigning different colors to each slice, you can enhance the overall readability of the chart. You can create a legend that lists the labels or names corresponding to each slice of the pie. The legend helps viewers easily identify what each slice represents. The text props parameter allows you to customize the appearance of the text labels. This includes setting properties such as font size, font color, font weight, and more. By using text props, you can enhance the readability and visual appeal of the labels on your chart. Adjusting the graph size involves setting the overall dimensions of the graph to fit your needs. This can ensure that the chart is clearly visible and appropriately scaled for the data being presented. By customizing the size, you can improve readability and make sure that all elements of the chart, such as labels and titles, are properly displayed without overlapping. Practicing by applying random changes to a pie chart is an excellent way to learn and improve your data visualization skills. By making these adjustments, you can learn how each change affects the overall presentation, helping you understand the impact of various design choices, and enhancing your ability to create effective visualizations. The wedge props parameter allows you to customize the appearance of the wedges or slices. This includes adjusting properties such as edge color, line width, and other visual aspects to enhance the overall look of the chart. Using data from an Excel file to create pie charts is important because it transforms raw data into a visual format that is easier to understand and analyze. Pie charts help to clearly represent the proportions of different categories, making it simple to compare and interpret data at a glance. This visual representation enhances communication, aids decision-making, and allows for more effective presentations of data insights. Pandas allows you to easily import data from an Excel file, process it, and prepare it for visualization or further analysis. Its powerful data structures, like data frames, make it simple to handle and analyze large datasets efficiently. We aim to make things easier for you to understand. Our goal is to break down complex information and present it in a way that is clear and straightforward. By simplifying the content, we help you grasp the concepts quickly and easily. Our approach is all about making learning and understanding more manageable and enjoyable for you. When working with data, it's helpful to replace generic terms like data sets with the specific names of columns from your Excel file. Let's take a broad overview of the data stored in an Excel file by utilizing the Pandas library. By doing so, we can efficiently read process, and analyze the data, giving us valuable insights and a clear understanding of its structure and content. This approach allows us to handle various data types, identify patterns, and prepare the data for further visualization and analysis. Mistakes are valuable learning experiences because they provide opportunities for growth and improvement. Uncommenting the commented portion of the code enables you to utilize its full potential and functionality. By doing so, you activate the previously inactive lines of code, allowing them to execute and contribute to the overall performance of the program. We have added more columns in the Excel file. Adding more columns to the Excel file makes the data analysis process richer and more engaging. With these additional columns, you can explore new dimensions, uncover deeper insights, and enhance your understanding of the data. This expanded dataset provides more opportunities for learning and allows you to apply a wider range of techniques and visualizations, making the entire experience more informative and enjoyable. By examining these pie charts side by side, you can easily see how the team's performance varies in each format. This comparison helps to identify trends and patterns, such as whether the team tends to perform better in tests or one-day cricket against certain opponents. It provides a clear visual representation of the team's success rates, making it easier to analyze and understand their performance across different formats. To accurately analyze the one-day performance of the team, we need to develop a new set of code specifically tailored for this purpose. By creating this new set of code, we can ensure that The data visualization and analysis accurately reflect the team's performance in one-day matches, providing clear insights and comparisons. Now, we will use different titles for both test and one-day matches. The title we use for test matches, PAC, Test Win Percentage, encapsulates a comprehensive overview of the cricket team's performance. In test matches, this title highlights the focus on the success rate of the team. In the longest format of the game, we try to use same kind of title for one-day matches. For a good comparisons between these two formats, it highlights the team's performance in the limited overs format. Don't be discouraged when you make mistakes while learning data science. Mistakes are an integral part of the learning process and provide valuable lessons that help you grow and improve. Trying random changes and experimenting with different aspects of code can significantly enhance your learning experience. By exploring various approaches, you gain a deeper understanding of how the code works, discover new techniques, and identify more efficient solutions. Embracing this experimental mindset not only helps you build problem-solving skills, but also encourages creativity and innovation in your coding journey. Practice as much as you can, and dedicate your time to learning data science. The more you immerse yourself in the subject, the better you will understand complex concepts and develop essential skills. Consistent practice helps reinforce your knowledge, improves problem-solving abilities, and builds confidence in your capabilities. By investing time in learning and practicing, you will become more proficient and well-versed in the dynamic and ever-evolving field of data science. Creating a new file can help organize and simplify your work, making it easier to understand and follow. By starting fresh, you can focus on the specific task or analysis at hand without the clutter of unrelated code or data. Matplotlib provides various ways to customize the appearance of your plots. These options help you create visually appealing and consistent charts and graphs. By applying different styles you can make your visualizations more attractive and easier to interpret. Experimenting with these customization options allows you to find the best look and feel for your plots, enhancing the overall presentation of your data. Applying a color map to a pie chart can enhance its visual appeal by assigning different colors to each segment. This makes it easier to differentiate between the categories and interpret the data. Using a color map ensures that the colors are consistent and aesthetically pleasing, which improves the overall presentation of the chart. Experimenting with various color maps can help you find the best one for your data, making the visualization more engaging and informative. Creating subplots can help you visualize multiple charts in a single figure, making it easier to compare and analyze different aspects of your data. Subplots allow you to display various visualizations side by side, providing a comprehensive view of your data in one convenient layout. This approach is particularly useful when you want to compare multiple metrics, trends, or categories simultaneously, enhancing the overall clarity and effectiveness of your analysis. Adding color bars to your visualizations can help enhance the clarity and interpretation of your data. Color bars act as legends, indicating the color scale used in your plots and providing a reference for the values represented by different colors. This is particularly useful in heat maps, contour plots, or any visualizations where color represents data values. By including color bars, you make it easier for viewers to understand the relationship between the colors and the corresponding data, improving the overall effectiveness of your visual presentation. Mistakes are indeed mistakes, but they can serve as valuable reminders to review and improve your code. When you encounter errors, it prompts you to take a closer look at your work, identify the issues, and find solutions. This process helps you learn from your mistakes, refine your skills, and become a more proficient coder. Embracing mistakes as opportunities for growth and learning can ultimately lead to better and more reliable code. When you try to complete tasks quickly and juggle multiple things at once, it's easy to make mistakes without realizing it. These errors can be challenging to identify and correct on the spot. Taking a moment to pause, breathe, and review your work can help you pinpoint and resolve mistakes more effectively. By giving yourself time to focus and work methodically, you can ensure better accuracy and achieve more reliable results. Achieving success is always a rewarding experience, but it's important to recognize that there is always room for improvement. By continuously reflecting on your accomplishments and seeking ways to enhance your skills and knowledge, you can keep growing and reaching new heights. Embrace the mindset of lifelong learning and self-improvement, and you will find that your journey is filled with opportunities for further success. Improvement, indeed, requires effort and dedication. To make meaningful progress, it's important to invest time and energy into refining your work. This involves analyzing what can be enhanced, seeking feedback, and continuously learning new techniques. By committing to this process, you can steadily elevate the quality of your outputs and achieve your goals. Enhancing the quality of pie chart involves a commitment to effort and dedication to make meaningful improvements. It's important to invest time and energy into refining your work. This process includes analyzing what can be enhanced, seeking feedback, and continuously learning new techniques. By committing to these steps, you can steadily elevate the quality of your pie charts and achieve professional results. Experimenting with different approaches is a valuable learning method. It allows you to explore new possibilities, discover effective techniques, and enhance your skills. This practice not only improves your understanding, but also leads to better results, such as creating more refined and professional pie charts. By embracing a mindset of curiosity and experimentation, you can continuously grow and achieve higher quality outcomes. If you're a beginner, experimenting with random changes and playing with your code can be highly beneficial. This approach allows you to explore different possibilities, understand how various components work together, and develop problem-solving skills. It can significantly enhance your learning experience in data science and data visualization, making the process more enjoyable and effective. Embrace the experimentation mindset, and you will find yourself growing and improving rapidly. Engaging in this type of experimentation helps you become more comfortable with the tools and techniques used in data science. It fosters creativity and encourages you to think critically about how to achieve the desired results. Additionally, this method can make the learning process more enjoyable and less intimidating as you discover new ways to manipulate data and create visualizations. By adopting a curious and experimental mindset, you will find yourself growing and improving rapidly. This approach not only enhances your technical abilities, but also builds your confidence, preparing you for more complex projects and analysis in the future. Rotating the labels in a pie chart can be a useful technique in various situations. By adjusting the orientation of the names, you can improve readability and make the chart more visually appealing. Experimenting with the rotation of labels can enhance the overall presentation of your pie chart, making it more effective in conveying your data. Adjusting the radius of a pie chart can be a helpful technique to improve its appearance and readability. By tweaking the size of the pie chart, you can make it easier to visualize and interpret the data. Experimenting with different radius settings also helps you understand how this parameter affects the overall presentation of your chart. This hands-on learning experience enhances your skills in data visualization and allows you to create more effective and visually appealing charts. Adjusting the distance of labels from the pie chart can improve the clarity and readability of your chart. By positioning the names slightly away from the pie, you can prevent overlap and ensure that each label is clearly visible. This adjustment helps make the chart more visually appealing and easier to interpret. Experimenting with different distances can enhance your understanding of how label positioning affects the overall presentation and effectiveness of your pie chart. Experimenting with different color maps can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your charts. Different color maps offer varying color schemes, which can help highlight different aspects of your data and make your visualizations more engaging and informative. By trying out various color maps, you can find the one that best suits your data and makes your charts more aesthetically pleasing. This process not only improves the appearance of your visualizations, but also deepens your understanding of how colors can be used effectively to convey information. Adding grid lines to your charts can help improve their readability and accuracy. Grid lines provide a reference framework that makes it easier to compare data points and understand the scale and proportions. This is particularly useful in charts with multiple data points or when precise measurement is important. By including grid lines, you can enhance the overall clarity and effectiveness of your visualizations, making them more informative and easier to interpret. Animating a pie chart can significantly enhance the way you present your data. making it more engaging and dynamic. By incorporating animations, you can effectively highlight changes over time, draw attention to specific segments, and make your visualizations more interactive and appealing. This approach not only captures the audience's attention, but also helps them to understand and remember the data more easily. Funcanimation is a powerful tool in Matplotlib that allows you to create animations by repeatedly calling a function. This function can update the state of the plot, enabling you to create dynamic and engaging visualizations. To animate a pie chart using Funcanimation, you typically start with a static pie chart and define an update function. This function changes the properties of the chart, such as segment sizes or angles, to create the illusion of movement or transformation. The Funcanimation class then repeatedly calls this update function, passing it the current frame number. Using Funcanimation to create these animations not only improves the visual impact of your pie charts, but also enhances your understanding of data visualization technique. This hands-on approach allows you to explore different possibilities and develop your skills in creating dynamic and informative charts. This was not as good as you expect, but it's just for practice and learning. Practicing and learning are essential steps in any journey towards improvement. Enhancing the animation by incorporating both the pie chart and color bar can significantly improve the visual appeal and interactivity of your data visualization. By animating the color bar, you add an extra layer of information and make it easier to understand changes in data values over time. This approach not only makes your charts more engaging but also deepens your understanding of animation techniques using Matplotlib. By experimenting with these combined animations, you will gain valuable insights into how to effectively present complex data in a clear and dynamic way. This hands-on practice will help you to develop a more sophisticated skill set in data visualization and animation. Frames play a crucial role in animating specific portions of a pie chart. Each frame represents a snapshot of the chart at a particular point in time. By updating the chart state for each frame, you create the illusion of movement and transformation. This technique allows you to control and animate various aspects of the pie chart, such as rotating segments, changing colors, or expanding and contracting portions. By experimenting with frames, you can gain a deeper understanding of how animations work and develop more advanced and engaging visualizations. This hands-on approach will help you to learn more about animation techniques using Matplotlib and improve your overall data visualization skills. When creating animations, it's crucial to ensure that all code related to the animation lies within the update function. This function is called repeatedly by funcAnimation to update the state of your plot. Keeping all animation-related code within this function ensures that each frame is rendered correctly and smoothly. This approach not only makes the code more organized, but also helps in managing and troubleshooting the animation. This parameter enables optimized drawing by only updating the portions of the image that have changed, rather than redrawing the entire image for each frame. It redraws the entire image for each frame, which can be slower, but might be necessary in some situations. There are a few things that need to be addressed in the code to ensure that the animation runs smoothly and effectively. These adjustments include properly organizing the animation code within the update function, initializing the chart correctly, and using the appropriate functions to call and display the animation. By making these necessary adjustments and following best practices, you can create dynamic and engaging animations that enhance your data visualizations. This hands-on learning approach helps you develop a deeper understanding of animation technique and improves your overall skills in data visualization. Embrace the learning process, and you will continue to grow and achieve better results over time. Sometimes things don't go our way, and it can be frustrating. In those moments, it's important to stay resilient and keep a positive outlook. Challenges and setbacks are part of the journey, and they often present valuable learning opportunities. By staying determined and open to new solutions, we can find ways to overcome obstacles and ultimately achieve our goals. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key to navigating difficult situations and growing stronger from the experience. There's always room for improvement. By reading the code carefully and identifying errors, we can refine and optimize it. This approach not only enhances the performance and functionality of the animation, but also helps us develop a deeper understanding of coding principles and best practices. Embracing this continuous improvement mindset allows us to learn and grow, ultimately leading to better results and more effective visualizations. We can make the animation look more professional by focusing solely on animating the pie chart. It's easier for you now, because you have learned from my previous mistakes. By honing in on this specific aspect, you can create a smoother, more polished presentation that effectively conveys your data. This refined approach demonstrates your growth and understanding of animation techniques, resulting in a more engaging and visually appealing chart. Keep up the great work, and continue to build on what you have learned to achieve even better results. Saving your graphs is indeed crucial. It ensures that you have a record of your visualizations, which can be easily shared, revisited, or included in reports and presentations. Saving your graphs as images is an excellent practice. It allows you to preserve your visualizations for future reference, share them easily, and include them in reports or presentations. By doing so, you ensure that your work is well documented and easily accessible, enhancing the professionalism and organization of your projects. Saving your graph as a path is a great way to ensure high quality and easily shareable visualizations. Most graphing tools and libraries, like Matplotlib and Python, offer options to save graphs as such. This format preserves the clarity and detail of your graph, making them perfect for reports and presentations. Saving your animations as GIFs is a fantastic way to create easily shareable and visually engaging content. They are particularly useful for showcasing dynamic visualizations, as they can capture the movement and changes over time in a single, looping file. By saving your animations as such, you can ensure that your work is both accessible and impactful, making it perfect for presentations, social media, and more. This approach helps you to highlight the key aspects of your data in a concise and appealing format. Saving your animations as videos is an excellent way to create high quality and easily shareable content. Videos can capture the full detail and smoothness of your animations, making them perfect for presentations, tutorials, and sharing on various platforms. By saving your animations as videos, you ensure that your visualizations are preserved in a professional and accessible format, enhancing their impact and usability. To achieve a complete and continuous movement of your pie chart animation, it's essential to ensure smooth transitions between frames without interruptions. By making small, incremental changes to the chart's properties, such as rotating the pie chart gradually, you can create a fluid animation. Setting a consistent frame rate and ensuring the animation loops seamlessly will further enhance the smoothness. Optimizing the rendering process can reduce lag and ensure a polished, professional look. By implementing these improvements, you can create an engaging and visually appealing pie chart animation that effectively conveys your data. Adjusting the speed and length of our animated video is crucial to ensure that it effectively communicates our data and keeps the audience engaged. We can control these aspects by modifying parameters such as the frame rate and the duration of the animation. Increasing the frame rate results in a faster animation, while lower frame rate makes it slower. Adjusting the total number of frames can change the length of the animation. More frames create a longer animation, while fewer frames shorten it. Fine-tuning the update function to make smaller or larger changes between frames also affects the perceived speed of the animation. Experimenting with different frame rates is an excellent way to determine which one suits your animation best. By trying out various frame rates, you can find the optimal speed that enhances the smoothness and clarity of your animation. This approach helps you to understand how different settings impact the visual experience, allowing you to create more engaging and effective animations. Keep testing and refining your frame rates to achieve the best results for your visualizations.